TP Nation, what's going on, everybody? I pray that you all are having a Merry Christmas thus far. Hey, got another product review. Real quickly before we get into today's video, please like, please comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hey, thank y'all so much for your comments, your notification that we were on. You've seen some of the things that we've been doing around here on the homestead. You've seen the new palm trees. You've seen the water fountain installed. Potential possibility of some lights being added to the outside. But what I did was I went and did some research about some colorful lights that you could add to your house. Went online to different websites that would show you the apps that you could use on your phone. And the lights that I showed you before, they're not controlled by an app. It's just the bulb, you have to change the bulbs out. And I told you in the video that if I wanted to do something like that, I would have to pay an extra $100. But what I did was I went and found some lights on Amazon. You can find them pretty easy to look up, but let's check them out. I hope everybody's has had a great Christmas. Yeah. The weather here in South Carolina is hot one moment and cold the next. Hot 1 minute and cold the next. All right, let's see here. All right, so our lights that we got here. I ordered 4 of them. They're called Full Color Direct Connect Outdoor Smart Lights. They work with Amazon Alexa and they work with Google Assistant. The outdoor floodlights, they are the PAR38 by General Electric. So I bought 3 of them. I thought I bought 4, but I actually bought 3. We have 3 here in the box. All right, so with this light, you can control it with your cell phone. It's comfort, control, and confidence. It's easy to set up and connects to either CNC or C by G devices. Smart homes, they can change colors. What I liked about this specific light, it is 1300 lumens. The ones that you saw outside earlier, they were only 350 lumens. But with these ones, these are 1300 lumens. Bright white tones, vivid colors, adjust and brightness in the CNC app, control with your voice, schedule away from home. And those are the kinds of things that I wanted to do here at my home by making this house a smart home. Some of my videos you will see and hear me talking about the area that I live in. It did not have high-speed internet. We had basically like dial-up. But one of the incentives the government put in is in the rural communities that they would get high-speed internet. So about 4 or 5 months ago, we got in fiber cable. So now we have super fast internet. And I was excited about that because now it allows me to make my house a smart home. I am a techie, I like tech stuff, and so I was grateful about that. All right, so let's get into this open box of this GE Full Color Direct Outdoor Smart Bulb. Let's see here. The life of the bulb is 22 years, based on 3 hours a day. Hey, if I get 10 years, I don't run them 6 hours because they're gonna run at nighttime. I can tell you that right now. The brightness is 1300 lumens. Estimated yearly cost is $1.81 per year based on 3 hours a day. Light is 22.8 years. Light appearance is warm 3000 to K. to cool. Energy used is 15 watts. All right. Let's see here. It says ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi signal where you plan to install the outdoor floodlight. So, hey, that's gonna be cool with me. Let's see here. Direct connect, simple to set up and connects directly to your Wi-Fi router. With voice, choose from millions of colors plus white tones. Pick the perfect vibrant color for holidays entertaining. Choose from different white tones to highlight your home's landscaping. Set scenes. Avoid coming home to a dark house without leaving the lights on all day. All weather construction designed for cold and wet weather conditions. So I really, so far, TP Nation, that's what I was looking for in a light. So let's see what it looks like coming out of the box. All right. Okay. So let's see here. This is the Direct Connect PAR38. It's constructed pretty good. LED, 1300 lumens, 2000 to 7000 K of light bright. Direct Connect. And so far it looks pretty good as well put together. I've got some floodlight receptacles. I need to just put them in the ground and then we'll see how this looks. What I'm also going to do is to maybe cut the video right here as you can see this and then put them in the ground later this evening and then we'll watch them as they come on tonight and then maybe have some colors around the house. If y'all got any questions about these, the cost was, I think, $38 for two. Hey, you can't go bad. The other lights that I was going to put up for 20 lights would cost me all $5 grand. Now, those lights will be buried, landscaping lights, they'll be buried in the ground, but you don't have any color. For here, I've spent, what, $120 for 6 lights. So I think this is a good cost. I think it's pretty, so we're gonna check it out this afternoon, and I'll get back with y'all to let you see what the PAR or the GE Full Color Direct Connect Outdoor Smart Bulbs. Hey, we're in the era now of smart technology. Don't be afraid of technology. Don't be afraid of technology, y'all. It's out there, it's for your good. It comes packaged well, it comes with the instructions on how to set it up. Let's see, it shows you, all you do is just install your smart bulb within Wi-Fi range. Simple, set up the Cync app, unlock the full features and connect. Screw in the power, direct connect, add the app to your phone, add and sync the app, easily connect with your lights. And guys, I'll be able to turn this on and off with my voice. That's what I love about it. I will be able to turn this on and off with my voice. In my home, I've already got some smart bulbs in my house. As a matter of fact, I'll let you see my kitchen lights because I like smart technology. I like smart technology. So in my house right here in my kitchen, I've got some other GE bulbs that I use all the time. And so I'll let you see those. Let me let the Google app catch up in my kitchen. So I'll let you see. So these right here are smart bulbs. So watch this. Hey Google, turn the island lights green. You see that? Now that's awesome, guys. Okay Google, turn the island lights red. Okay Google, turn the island lights blue. Isn't that nice? That's technology, and we cannot be afraid of technology. Okay, Google, turn the island lights brown. That's technology. I use the Google Home to be able to control it. Here's my Google Home. And you can change the brightness, you can do everything. But this video is not about the Google Home. This is about the GE. Those are GE lights as well. So I'm a GE person. I like the smart part about GE. But this video today is about the Direct Connect outdoor smart bulbs, the PAR38. I'm gonna pause the video right here, and then I'll get back with y'all later on tonight to let you see what it looks like outside. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.